Yes, you heard it right. This video will make you feel earthquake in your room. Really? Yes, it actually works. You will be surprised after watching this video. Rule: you can't move while watching this video. No fast forwarding, no skipping. Let's see if the trick works for you or not. Are you ready? We start in 3, 2, 1. Keep staring at the red dot at the center of the video and don't blink. Now quickly look around you. Is everything shaking and spinning around you? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe if the trick worked on you. You can also share this video with your friends. Good luck!